Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Miami to give Bitcoin to its citizens allows usage for payments. Dogecoin Shiba Inu looks to resume its uptrend. Discord halts crypto plans, but for how long? Invisible Aether, world's largest museum launches NFT art exhibition. So, let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, yet again, crypto has taken another step in market normalization as it was found that Miami will give Bitcoin to its citizens and allow payments. Oh, well, I'd love to participate in a Bitcoin giveaway there. That's probably the only way left for me to get one. Miami's Mayor Francis Suarez said in a Coindesk TV interview on Thursday morning that the city will soon start handing Bitcoin to its residents. Suarez definitely acknowledged such ambitions when asked if he saw Bitcoin being utilized as cash, even as a tax payment option. I imagine a scenario when the Satoshi system is utilized to process payments really swiftly. We need to make that leap, stated the mayor. We need people to realize that Bitcoin's value is rising, and yes, we want you to hold Bitcoin. But at the same time, we need to expand Bitcoin's utility, which will increase its worth even higher and add more functionality, allowing people to use it as a better currency. Suarez has been a vocal proponent of establishing a robust Bitcoin ecosystem in Miami, and he revealed last week that he will be paid entirely in Bitcoin. The mayor also wants people to be able to pay city fees and taxes in BTC. Later, the mayor stated that the city intends to establish a digital wallet in collaboration with Bitcoin exchanges in order to drop Bitcoin earned by staking Miami coin in the Stacks protocol to its people. Suarez eventually wants individuals to be able to use Bitcoin and Miami coin as they want, whether it's to hodl or to spend at regular retailers on the street. Miami coin is based on the Stacks protocol, which stacks on top of the Bitcoin blockchain, so there are new nexuses and interactions between the two, Suarez explained. However, the mayor's belief that Stacks and Bitcoin are inextricably linked is incorrect. Stacks is its own blockchain with its own mining algorithm and consensus rules. At most, the initiative can be regarded as a side chain, and it departs significantly from the Bitcoin project's original spirit and what it seeks to achieve in society. Stacks also has its own token, which is mined as its holder and get Bitcoin through a method called proof of transfer by the company. As a result, Stacks is reliant on a Bitcoin holder's willingness to exchange their BTC for Stacks tokens in a one-way transaction, expecting for future gains as a result of the stacking, a procedure that isn't quite aligned with Bitcoin's incorruptible proof of work mechanism. Moving forward, Shiba Inu, who went down and was trolled by the Doge army, seems to have developed the uptrend again. Well, who do you support in this meme battle? Personally, I think both the sides have cool memes though. Let's get back to the news. After registering big gains, Shiba Inu appears to be decoupling from the rest of the market. Although SHIB appears to be poised for additional gains, it nevertheless faces a number of challenges. Shiba Inu appears to have enough strength to break through a key resistance level and reach new all-time highs. Despite the rest of the market battling to recover from Wednesday's flash crash, the Dogecoin clone, which is part of a new breed of so-called dog tokens, has surged by more than 15% in the last 16 hours. SHIB has pushed over the upper trend line of a bull flag that appeared on its 6-hour chart as a result of the strong bullish impulse. If buy orders continue to pile up, Shiba Inu might climb another 200% according to this bullish continuation pattern. A 6-hour candlestick close above the flag's upper trend line at $0.000055 might kickstart a new bull run towards $0.000175. Breaking past the $0.000055 resistance level, according to transaction history, may be difficult. Based on the into the blocks in out of the money around price model, over 18,000 people have already purchased over 26 trillion SHIB around this price level. As prices climb, these token holders may try to break even on their long positions, slowly the uptrend. A persistent breach of the supply wall, on the other hand, might corroborate bull flag's pattern upbeat outlook. It's worth noting that if Shiba Inu manages to break through the $0.00055 barrier, it'll have to clear another hurdle at $0.0000059 to reach its full upside potential. SHIB will have no competition if it clears both supply obstacles on its way to a new all-time high of $0.0000175. So moving forward, the interest started making its speculations a few days ago when Discord CEO posted a screenshot with ETH integrated plugin in Discord settings. People were quite curious about this partnership, but looks like he's put it on hold. Let's dive into this one. Jason Citrin, the CEO and founder of social messaging network Discord, tweeted a snapshot just 3 days ago implying an impending connection with crypto wallets MetaMask and Wallet Connect. The unfavorable responses to the tweet, on the other hand, are more than enough for the CEO to reconsider. And now, just 3 days after the initial tweet, any crypto intentions the company had may have been put on hold. There was an extraordinary rush of hostile responses when CEO and founder Jason Citrin tweeted the seemingly harmless post. One such response that stands out amid the rest is this one. Artists will no longer be able to share their work online, let alone in a hostile environment. Reposters were bad enough, but this takes it to a whole new level. What's the point of having someone be able to right-click and sell your artwork for ownership when you spent dozens of hours developing it? Because of the tremendous opposition from the Discord community, the company may be putting any plans for a crypto component on hold for the time being. As a result, Citrin stated that Discord has no plans to ship the cryptocurrency wallet feature. This is when things start to get interesting. No current intentions, says Citrin. At most, this may be interpreted as we would revisit this or futuristic plans. Whatever perspective one takes, it's easy to see why the most recent tweet was required. To begin with, Discord community's crypto opponents have a valid justification for threatening to terminate their Nitro subscriptions. Nitro is Discord's premium subscription, which costs $9.99 per month and includes animated avatars, a larger upload limit, and other features. It's also the company's main source of income. According to Wall Street Journal projections, the Nitro service alone will bring $130 million in 2020 and $45 million in 2019. In addition, the firm is now valued at $15 billion, $100 million investment headed by Dragoneer Investment Group in September. So it is only expected that the company will give listening ears to this invaluable fast-growing user base. But for now, it sure looks as though Discord still has some long-term plans for the platform. So moving forward with the last segment of today morning, what kind of museums have y'all been into? Cars, antiques, dolls? It's high time to take a huge step ahead. Yes, now the world's largest museum has added a separate NFT art section. Are you excited? Let's see what's get cooked. The Russian State Hermitage Museum was debuted its first totally virtual exhibition of digital art, continuing its foray into NFT business. The Hermitage is organizing a free exhibition of NFT artworks that exist entirely in virtual space, the so-called Celestia Hermitage, or the museum's digital avatar, just a few months after raising over $4 lakh via its inaugural NFT auction on Binance in September. Hermitage's Invisible Ether exhibition, which opened on November 10, is based on the metaverse concept, allowing people to create digital avatars and navigate the virtual site like PCs, smartphones, virtual reality glasses, and other devices. According to a senior curator of the project, the virtual site simulates the interiors of the local landmark, Old St. Petersburg Stock Exchange, although the actual display had nothing to do with the trade. The artworks in the exhibition are not for sale. We avoid all topics linked to the price of these items in order to focus on displaying what digital art truly is, because the cost of art is secondary to its value, said Dmitry Ozerkov, Hermitage's head of contemporary art. Following the exhibition's conclusion on December 10, Ozerkov stated that the Hermitage will return all of the artworks to their original owners, including artists and collectors. Further events are beyond the museum's remit, he added. Ozerkov stated at a press conference on Thursday that the Hermitage has no financial interest in hosting the free display and that the museum is working to determine the true value of NFTs. We want to examine what's left of the NFT after the money part is removed, he stated. Two curators, including Ozerkov and Anastasia Garnova, a member of the Hermitage Contemporary Art branch, chose the artists and work for the Invisible Ether exhibition. The whole list of artworks may be found on the exhibition's official website, which includes Schrodinger's Cat by CryptoKitties, a popular Ethereum-based blockchain game created by Canadian firm Dapper Labs. Dark Zoo, a St. Petersburg-based artist, has an artwork on the list as well. Snark.art, Masters Digital, The Art Exchange, Rarible, Super Rare, Known Origin, Art Blocks, AlterHen.art, and OpenSea are among the NFT platforms and prominent industry participants featured in the event. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.